Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to take a screenshot, first you will need to go to the screen you want to capture actually. So I'm gonna open some random application, for example, I don't know, let's say weather app. And to take a screenshot, you simply press the home button and back button together. And once you press them and release them, you will see this animation on the screen. And once you see it, that means you took a screenshot on your watch. And once you're done taking the screenshots, you can go to the gallery app with this icon, open it, and here we have our screenshots saved on our watch. Quite simple. And that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.